Hello, this is V. You're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video are some weekly project shares that I have currently made this week and would like to share with you. They're all Valentine's themed. I'm working with scrapdivadesigns.com's die cuts, and here's the information. Be sure to check out scrapdivadesigns.com, and I do have a discount code for you. That is V10%. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. This will save you 10% throughout the entire website. All the links will be listed below. My first project is a card, and I'm using the Heart Postage Stamp die cut. And you get two sizes with them. I'm entered in a challenge giveaway, and it's hosted by Solae and Craft. I will have her linked below. These are the dies that I'm working with, and so you do get a large and a small, and they're just heart stamps, and you can cut them how you want them. You can layer them, you can line them, you can use them in any way you'd like. I'm using them in this card here. I made a Valentine's birthday card. So check out Solae and Crafts to find out all the deets on the challenge giveaway. There are prizes to be made, so you can earn prizes as well. So this is the card I made. So as you can see, I added several, I believe 10 heart postage stamps here, and they're all die cutted. They are all die cut out. And I added also some hearts. So if you can see, the red heart is from a different die. That red heart is from the Heart Mini Album die set. Those are conversation hearts, and you get 4 in the die set. I will have that linked below as well, just in case you want to check that out. As far as the name is in blue, and that's the name of the Heart Mini Album die set. So I just wanted to show you that. As far as the name, it's also made by scrapdivadesigns.com's die sets. These are some die sets that came out for Christmas. I will have them linked below as well. I made my own envelope from scratch, and I did a slimline card. And I love making slimline cards. I think they're so neat and creative, and they just give a different feel. I like the longness of them, and then also the width of them. I don't know. I love to make them, and I love envelopes as well. So as far as the envelope, you can see I did stitch a heart in that heart postage stamp there in red, and I also included some hearts ephemera pieces on the side. This is my second project. This is called the Valentines Banner Set. I made 3 of them. I included them on this heart piece. The heart piece is from the Heart Mini Album die set as well. And I thought it would be a fun way, if you want to send off some banners to your friends, you can put them on the heart. Here are the dies here. So you did get several pieces, and you can see that there's a base for the die as well, some layering pieces. You can make this however you'd like and create anything, any type of banner that you want. You can even snip off the bows if you want to do that, and you can also use the bows as a single project as well. So here I'm using some twine into this project, as well as some foam, as well as some puffy stickers. So some of those stickers are from different collections. One is, the white one is from the Cutie Pie by American Crafts paper collection. The other is from, I believe it's by Paige Evans. The red one is, and the blue are Paige Evans. One is the Sugar Plum Wishes or Blooming Wild. I will have it linked below. And the blue is from an older collection, which is, I think, I can't remember. I will have that linked below as well. So throughout my Valentine projects, I've been loving felt. So I've been including felt hearts throughout my projects, and here I did it as well. You do get a heart die with that, and with this die, and you can use it as well. So here I'm just showing you the mini heart album again, because of the dies that I've been using. So there it is right there, conversation hearts, and as well as the die. The bow on this heart is from a different die set that was released a while ago. It is the CupCake Memorydex die set. I do gravitate to that die set a lot. It has a lot of miniature pieces that I enjoy using in all of my projects, or most of my projects, and I pull that out from time to time. And so, yeah, all you have to do is just tack these banners onto the heart, stick them in a bag, and off they go. That'd be a great add-on to your swap. Moving on to the next project is a garbage container bin. This is a sort of a kawaii type of garbage bin die set. It has the face for a kawaii look. And this is all of the dies that it comes with. It comes with a large, also comes with a small, and you also get all of the layering pieces to create a garbage bin. Here is the name here, and I love to show the label as well, just in case I make a mistake. So sometimes I do make mistakes, and that's why I like to show the label as well, just in case. So here are the dies. You also get some hearts to decorate this garbage bin, and so I made this garbage bin as a 3D box. It doesn't come this way, so like any die, you can make it your own and create anything that you like with it. Sky's the limit. Use your imagination, and you can come up with so much for these dies. And you can also go on the website and check out all of the other creators, what they came up with, and you can also try to make what you see there. So here I have a pocket on the back of this bin. It is a pull-out drawer, and I almost made it into a matchbook drawer. So that's another idea that you can do. So it pulls out like this, and then you can add any of your miniature bits inside. You could add sequins, beads. You could add the embellishments. The embellishments that I included in this box are paper ribbon, and those were gifted to me in a swap, I believe, last year or the year before, and I just included it here. But you can include anything you'd like in a box if you want to create something like this. Super easy to make. And I also included some flags. So the flag, it's also made with scrapdivadesigns.com's die sets. I will have that linked below. I believe it's called pennant flag die set. I love, my favorite part of this is the cherry. So that cherry is from a previous die set, and that's from the CupCake die set. Like I said before, I always gravitate to that die set all the time. So it's one of my favorites. I have it on the side. I keep it separate from my other stash of Valentine's because I gravitate to it all the time. So I pull from there, and there is also my heart that I make with the yarn. So I just love it. So these embellishments, or these flags, are very simply done. I added a miniature one for the pocket and on the back, and so I thought the flags would just make the bin pop just a little bit, make it more fun. And so my next project is this Valentine's Gift Box. This gift box doesn't originally come as a window. You have to cut that out with your craft knife. However, it is a great box to have. It can hold some candy bars, kind of like the same size as a Hershey candy bar. It can hold socks. It can hold ties. It can hold pastries, cookies, so much that you can add in here. You can also add all of your handmade projects. And so here I'm just showing you the die as well. So you do get a one side of the die, and then you just cut two of those out, and you can create your box. And you can also add the shakers to it. The die does come with some shaker plates, and as you can see, you can add that there. As far as what I used, I only used the heart shaker plates. As you can see, felt hearts throughout the entire box. Here I'm just showing you up close and personal how I created this. As you can see, there's multiple layers on this. I also created a felt tassel there. I also created some loops to hold those tassels, or that tassel. And something that doesn't come in the die are the layering pieces for the top portion of the box. I did that on my own, so you can do that as well. And I added the Simple Stories logo there. As you can see, 3 different types of papers here, as well as some stickers I stitched on. And I added some loops for the charms. And just created some dimension here, and just different, just, put together different colors and made it really fun. Just showing you how those loops are set. And here is the side here. I added some foam hearts and some word stickers, and also 3 different colors of papers. Also stitched everything on this box, so every panel is stitched. And there is that bow there from the CupCake Memorydex die set. So this box does open. I'm going to open it for you, take out all of the embellishments that I made in the prior video. They're the fringe heart embellishments. I will have that linked below as well. Those fringe hearts also is a die from ScrapDivadesigns. In case you want to make your own, you can make your own fringe hearts using the dies. So I added some crinkle to the bottom of the box, so it's a quite large box. And if you go on the website, you can find out all of the dimensions. Unfortunately, I didn't have a ruler on hand, so I wasn't able to measure that. So I'm just sharing with you how that looked, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This concludes the video, and I will see you in the next one.